If Pixlr is giving you a save error, don't worry, lads. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your files saved properly without wasting time. This problem is usually caused by a free plan limit, a browser extension blocking the save pop-up, a file name issue, or even a canvas that is too large for the browser to handle. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. First, let's do the quick checks because these solve the problem for a lot of people right away. If you're using the free plan, Pixlr may have a daily save limit. When you try to save, look for a counter, warning, or upgrade prompt. If that limit has been reached, the only fix is to wait 24 hours before trying again, or upgrade your plan if you need unlimited saves. Next, disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions like AdBlock, uBlock Origin, or similar tools. These extensions can block the save pop-up or stop Pixlr from opening the final save window. Turn them off for the Pixlr website, then refresh the page and try again. After that, check your file name. If your file name contains special characters like a hash symbol, /, question mark, or other unusual symbols, Pixlr may fail to save correctly. Rename the file using simple letters and numbers only. Something clean and basic usually works best. Now let's go through the correct save workflow, because this part is very important. In Pixlr, go to the bottom right of the screen and click Save. Then choose your format. After that, click Save As. A new window should appear where you select your folder or location. Once you choose the folder, click Save again in that window. A lot of users miss this last confirmation step, and that's why the file seems like it didn't save at all. If you do not complete every step in that sequence, the file may not show up in your folder. If it still doesn't work, try opening Pixlr in a new tab. Sometimes reopening the project from recent history can reset the session and make the save process work normally again. Just open a fresh Pixlr tab, load your recent file, and then try the save steps one more time. If you're still seeing a working spinner that never ends or an actual error message, then we need to troubleshoot a little deeper. First, clear your browser cache. Go into your browser settings, search for cache and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files are selected, then clear them. Yes, this may remove stored browsing data, but it often fixes Pixlr save problems immediately. After that, refresh Pixlr and test the save again. If the issue continues, the image itself may be too large. Very large canvases, especially anything over 4,000 pixels, can push browser memory too hard and cause saving to fail. Go to Image, then Smart Resize, or Image, then Image Size, depending on what version you're using. Lower the width to 3000 pixels or less, then try saving again. Also, if possible, save as JPG instead of PNG, because JPG is lighter and easier for the browser to process. And if none of that works, switch browsers. Pixlr often behaves differently depending on whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another browser. Try a different browser, sign back in, open your project, and test the save process again. One of these steps usually fixes the issue. So to recap, check your free limit, turn off ad blockers, rename the file, follow the full save workflow, try a new tab, clear cache, reduce image size, and switch browsers if needed. If this video helped you fix the Pixlr save error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.